All right, let's dive right in. Today, we are getting into a real technical deep dive on how two of Adobe's heavy hitters, Experience Manager assets and the new GenStudio, work together to fix one of the biggest headaches in business today, the content supply chain. So, if you feel like you're drowning in content demands, you're going to want to see this.
So here's our game plan. We're going to start with the big picture, the problem we're all facing. Then we'll introduce the solution, and after that, we'll get into the real nuts and bolts you need to know, from connecting the systems all the way to the huge payoff for your marketing teams.
First things first, let's set the stage. Why is this integration such a game changer right now? Well, it all boils down to one massive, and I mean massive, business problem.
Look at this number. The need for personalized content isn't just growing, it's absolutely exploding. We're talking a 5-fold increase in the next 2 years alone. That puts this incredible pressure on teams who are already struggling with disconnected tools, messy workflows, and bottlenecks that just can't keep up.
Okay, so that's the problem. How in the world do you solve for that kind of scale? Well, that's where Adobe GenStudio comes in. And I want to be really clear here. This isn't just another tool. It's a completely new way of thinking about the entire content lifecycle.
I love this analogy. Don't think of GenStudio as one single thing. Think of it like the Avengers for your content. You've got a whole team of superheroes, each with their own special power, all coming together to save your content supply chain from total chaos.
And here's the lineup. You've got Workfront acting as the mission control for all your planning. You've got Creative Cloud and Firefly for that high-end creation. Frame.io is there to streamline video collaboration. Express is for easy self-service stuff. And you even have content analytics to see what's working. And holding it all together, the central source of truth is AEM assets. The key thing to remember is these aren't separate tools. They're all deeply woven together.
Now, for this explainer, we're really going to zero in on the connection between two of the most important members of this team, AEM Assets and GenStudio for Performance Marketing. This is where the magic happens, where your super secure, brand-governed library meets the need for speed and creativity in your campaigns.
So let's be super clear on their roles. Think of AEM assets as your Fort Knox. It's the single source of truth, the secure, governed vault where all your approved brand content lives. Then you have GenStudio. That's the high-tech factory that takes those approved assets and just multiplies their value, cranking out tons of on-brand variations for your campaigns.
All right, time to roll up our sleeves. For all you admins and developers watching, this is the part you've been waiting for. How do you actually plug these two systems together? It's actually a pretty straightforward 5-step process.
This is basically your checklist. You start in AEM Cloud Manager and you just flip the switch to enable Content Hub. It's a self-service thing, really easy. Then you pop over to the Adobe Admin Console and you give your GenStudio users access by adding them to the new Content Hub profile. After that, it's just a matter of making sure your assets are marked as approved, configuring who sees what, and then hopping into GenStudio to make sure you see your AEM repository. Done.
Now, a super important heads up here. This is not something just anyone can do. You absolutely need to have admin rights in 2 places, the Adobe Admin Console and your AEM Assets Cloud Service instance. Without those keys, you can't open the door.
Okay, so the pipes are connected, but now for the really important part. How do you control what actually flows through them? This is all about governance, brand safety, and making sure only the right stuff gets out the door. And this right here, this is the magic switch. The whole system hinges on one simple metadata field in AEM, the asset's status. As long as it's in progress, it stays locked safely inside your DAM. But the second you change that status to approved, that's the trigger. That's the digital handshake that instantly makes it available in GenStudio ready to go. It's your ultimate quality control. So you've done the technical setup, you understand the approval flow. What's the big payoff? What do you actually get from all this? Let's walk through the journey from a single, lonely asset to a full-blown customer experience. This is where you really see the speed. It all starts right here, inside your DAM. A new product photo, let's say, goes through all the normal reviews and checks. Once everybody gives the thumbs up, it gets that official approved stamp. And then, boom. Instantly, because of that Content Hub connection we set up, that same approved photo just appears right inside the GenStudio interface. No exporting, no emailing, no downloading. It's just there, ready for the marketing team to grab. And this is where things get wild. Your marketer can take that one approved photo, tell GenAI about 5 different audiences they're targeting, and in literally minutes, not hours or weeks, minutes, it generates dozens of personalized, on-brand variations for social, for email, for display ads. The scale is just incredible. So here's the bottom line.
This integration turns your approved assets from just static files sitting in a library into dynamic fuel for a high-speed, scalable marketing engine. It connects your governance to your creation. So the only real question left is, what are you going to create with it?